Fiano pay and Ebusia Ubu a graphic name Farapana, you boom the mamo. Now be so the body Mokakapa say ECHS Yame Aya Duma, April Busumeno, the da etoso a do and watch it and which you say Yabashase na a voter register for frono compilation no and also Abaso Tihun Komono Quabe Anadri Sema Ibisa and say aso. Wabra a eminent committee no one more ecotina say no na one more a senka. No maso kakra emwa nanka echire no amayekwa wodo no be hia hyper bekoso nya de na afei omu wi a na enho ana muntu da hwese city na mafo bisa se eti afei yekoba ne same na isi so aba abontin date no e de aba eti yekoba ne sa amayekwa wodo na wo mo echemu se wo mo empene se yentro edi ni foforo no se no be si afa age no ene wo mo a mo ka wan se wo mo empene se yentro no foforo no so esembe no be ka e da fa na se ne se ni die se e fata no yamfa ama committee na we ene sema do bia ka ne ka bom ene anadwi na ye de abremo anadwi chairman Omare Wade okọ eye Amayeko NPP mu a third vice chair ene no opanyi ewufia ene anadwi san so ena yekọ eye Amayeko NDC mu so a Rachif Baini so a deputy national organizer de ema eye Amayeko no che emo akwa abo
mejo sorry
opanyi na bokọ de
adomo
na me ase party mu te so opanyi ho ye
mampani hu ye se wo nim so tu kwan na in the substance no alaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia onna ehwe akire on na mpanifo nti mampani so e dijuma ama Ghana so what is so kwai dog agreement be o masensan sika bi a omode ba mama kai I shake I see o see the money e big o
it's big
akwantu ho faso
so
the akwantu pa
okay
anya kwantu basa MC ya tina high well ni kwantu ni bi ho ya koba ne nsem bebre di akire but na de kwa no de bibi aba omo call China say tie ni podie no mo de aba omo call US pum omo call la ni na bi okobi abibi ba nti mampani de obadwuma
that's right
abato na moto ye no MC ho mfaso ho
okay
waban maban ye nyina ya ban omo badwuma ye badwuma koyi
okay
one D one F eguso one village one dam eguso free SHS eguso school feeding expanded bebre
all right
a lot of quite this year so there mo amakwan nyenes mo hwe aban anim aban etoto ne maba ama akwan no so say this year they obe focus on a lot kwan and so that because you see a do info ama planting for food info no buy na ba na see nya lord kwan there aduan be fa so free lord fom ho abakrom and say aba market abaton nti mampani ane apamfo omo focus on that and say cases lorry kwan na bend lorry kwan ti enkwan ye be ye say sa for double track system no am so what home popo ye or ho na school back ye twam or ho na ye twa back because they are expanding as we speak now campus at school at Daniel Musi about 1,000
all right
nti ombe wie no nim say enko your friend is saying next academic year no monko start no and sign there's a kaka crazy and the people are working for you what mine no and faso abana atu ye no and faso be aba ho
okay that's papa chairman Omare Wade and yetenu kano chief ye mo kwa papa
oh kwani afisha pa
afi go betu ye
isi afi mu menyu share
no kwasem
that's so
na party no boko de
party no boko baby am fi ba JM no hu ya branch papa bi no hu ye basa mama ncheo na minchia wahwefu nyina na memma wahwefu pim afishapa
that's right
akobane nansi ya mutuma na mo kakra yekofa tamale yedi yo ye kire yedi bakumase na muhu na o dabi sana nkrofu bi wo ha wodi we free do oda ye want to tell bia de moti bia no in a week enyu bi de obohu mo we free do abra UTV oyi enti na nkrofu pina na wobisa wase na wompanyufo anyi ho ye adwuma enti ne wahwefo a wo hu ma kire no na de meba ma ho na hwefo ni nyina
that's right
John Dramani Mahama no hu ye
all right
John Dramani Mahama nyankopon na hata sora oto supadi guyedo onye bi di Mahama yedi o kana asema ne nansen anse bekaya afi basem ne mu anan na yerkoi na yenuanom wo ye MPP fu wo ba bem na woba be me be kan on the 26th of August 2017 na wokoye one conference bi wo Cape Coast dam conference no mukopo inase menye my former chairman na Yura Kokwanyi do hunum na de I think that day na de chin na wo boy ekunfi what they so bofum na wo pa one district 140 no time and another kade by the end of 2017 50 or 51 of them was that was the day at the chain na ekwe ihwa videos ahwan kasa wo boy won Efrido Dr. Baomia also economic management team papa bia MPP wo obobo hodi no de won tugwa na by this time kra no MPP NDC bisa hon kra wo hu one economic management team members na wo wodi won bo okay the man seminar ne party fu was through chichi what the body boy jinedo na menyo kase me da sorry was abano wa pau 40 men then one CD na about me house dollar na Dr. About me house wa arrest ya pau nyimpa 40 there won ko hwehwe Dr. About me ambra sand dollar na pa ho achi alaji Dr. About me ono na ebisa omare wa de ode kade sika banana ko sika ba sino hydro na wodi shehe mbode wo ba beye akwanyina but awa yesem trofo a edo su kokofom na ebisa menyimara ebia na nkomo bi wo ho a ebotum medimanu sa ebotum acheche ba omare wa de mepede me ma chance de sebi Nyankopɔn's vengeance is mine.
Okay.
And it is kekansam de for Nyanko no nyim na dada neji tuma. Our president ibaji tum no but it egwano da na you overstretched.
Okay.
Na wo abedechi no no so obo na wa bode room awiade nyina ate the economics party obi onyi ho nyim economics en otewa no so aye obsolete. Na chere ne function nyina wa aye okay. And beside that today, Martin na macheche mu.
Right, ebe wa ha Chibani enzo so no. Me pende for and as we that for so making kan kakra we also for immediate release Eminent Advisory Committee of the Electoral Commission calls for calm. Or say the Electoral Commission on Wednesday, 15 January 2020, held a meeting with the members of the Eminent Advisory Committee to outline the justification for the procurement of a new biometric voter management system and the compilation of a new voter register for 2020 general election. At the end of the meeting, it was agreed that the Electoral Commission and the Eminent Advisory Committee will meet with the members of IPAC to have further deliberations on the matter. Meanwhile, the Eminent Advisory Committee calls for calm from all political parties and other stakeholders as they work in the national interest. Signed, Justice Short, Chairman, Eminent Advisory Committee. Even if we can't talk about a year abontenom, Chief, what are my opinion? I'm sure if you know some vacant and a crash. Okay, and yeah, we should tell the making can ya any day easy. Esijna say 18th. You be sure say aye say na usi ehuno.
Good. Me da say me kade mami fa krata imam nti na me pede make sure.
Ka o hwansa.
Me pede make sure.
We say okay.
Krata na before tro no na na kan because the journalist pia wo yi krata wo so na krata no nyo no bia. Enye no ha de enye me hwe me hu na krata na krata yi ampanyifu wo de tugwa no. Say follow I hu na yefi baby na ya ba bedu baby ayiri. Onyere parties no so preoccupy na was there be were forming inter-party resistance against new voters register na sebia wakasa keke ana waye demonstration. Ebeka ya isi oduru maybe akade o wakade biometric registration another new register na hun sensem na parties ni ba out wakade wo ba ipaka dam topic no nya agenda.
Yes.
Isi de no achepa oyede odebay. Isi nche na anyi mpanyimfu nsimwa ntina ho oye political parties wa pa nchechirem senti kura obehia de yebenya voters new voters register se yebe yeso ahwanu mpo ne yepede yede ho ye na madi nyina isi anye obia ndi nkomo dakro prakope mpanyimfu katina ho na afa nkrofo abade won be display na ade na kwabrane
Chief
edwumam highway even though ye nsemtwonya ye wadwuman se enyumbri nyim de beka news na wa mo amane de eka news wi a bekwa akoye radio na u boss ba no be for the car radio be bi send no boss na anti na nka fan hyemase na muso mo hihye bi amanye de manye nyimpa no adwuma ne ye na abato no yeto no so nyimpa no woto ma mi hu abato ankusi na nkratin to bi da oye nipa na woto aban enti nipa no adwuma ye no so no o mesi mote nipa no obato aban no so wo fi political parties ahoro na minte hu behia de wo ba engage won panyifo na da menzema nyina nkodon ena parties oye nkono NDC ka ho ye ka bom na ye de kasa ye de tugwade onam kwana wo fado wo ye da made na ye mpinenti ye de nama pi bogu akwema ebi baye oye kire ebi baye kasa ye de kire ma no na no ho nkeka ho amanyimpa dodo wa tasi sentra ye kire de ye mpin isi onfa ni nchechiremu bia mfa mba tugwade dami na semorka yin de machines why obsolete ni so no nchechemu wo if report the buy in there adina or out of function okamani na phone you kitawi se work do out of function na che den tum fanya WhatsApp entum fanya call entum fanya hwe because phone na nkasa onye de onye adwuma eyi na political parties ye da ye mfato ho de na nansanyara oman na nka regions nyina oye 10 ena 10 regions na Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ye boshe do de sia baka ho okamani them regions esia na wode ka ho ansa na ye referendum na yetum ye eto region oya aba register ena EC no UC or the ejuma ende why inauguration of assemblymen na we inaugurating ho nyina se bikafra oye abato a wotoe wo the district level na wodi yi hon ena wa ba be assemblymen oye abato a wotoe na wodi unit committee members ye den ye na oban abano jitum no inaugurate assembly no na ye di wontum da we assemblymen na yesanso ye kade register na wodi yi hon onye credible na ye kade efiri na wodi to aban oye out of function meanwhile ye nto efiri fufu bia na ya to assemblyman for abai eyi da mendeme nyinara na civil society groups in kuku dra watri 18 mpeifu akesa wo krom ha wodi one wodi tum political parties in kuno wodi one wodi tum na oye kire shase yekopo mu otamale yipa dodo a wo pem wo ba ye oye kire no onye mfi tamale yamba yemmo a ye ho de yeboko kumase na eminent committee ye kukudam a wa pa ho na asofo na mpanyimfo waka ho a yera emi short odano yera emi short yo na no kaye dem commission ya first time in our history aban oye state sponsored vigilantes Emma vigilantes work right here so in the name of national security work up bubon crofo won name true na de man de binum wonanyo dem papa itina ho yi no aban se de aye adwuma mpa so ye mfa nya adwuma but you see yan hwe nyimtia na aban odibunu another aban se bi anyu a audition ba ye hwe emi short na nimpanyifo no ebra wa bo wo Ghana ha na ezi nyidi ye de ma ho impanyifo no ye ba na wo de krata itugwa no what say when you electoral commission edi hia enti ehu behia de electoral commission over Fry Park na de mpanyifo yi wetum watrem bi na wete nhihyeya obotum ode abodwe ode aba ma ye nyina ye ho atohen wo man daminti ye kire okumase se bete ya mpanyifo oye interparty resistance for new voters register wo ka tribom ye nde dam not da no ehu behia de mpanyifo ba twintwan won ado kakra na nke yedi enyidi yeda ma mpanyifo ya osanne ye wonso mo nyipa na yesi ye ntase na mpanyifo cheche won adwene ehu behia de enyi bedi nkomo eti dam da ye do ye kire ni twintwan ho na was on the 30th in the Wobeshia political parties wo IPAC na nka yehia e power ye bebon ye hu anamona ye betu esi osidabi onu di tintin no di be na adwuma mfa bu mfa mobiara mpanyifo na wonyine hia no kura no mu enti se mpanyifo no se de wonyi ho hia ono odi ni date ato aba no mehu publications or newspapers na ade I don't know if you've seen some also on the 18th of April ono obokodo na wa start there oye ne registration but you see integrity na yedi adwuma okwabra ni tiwe eto abadema party bi so oye MPP so oye NDC I'm not interested in nothing what I'm interested in ebe adwuma as a journalist isi obi enyim de sebi or MPP ni. That is not the issue because one man edwuma sebi ye di no one and enyim di no one na yedre man. In pay for ho to the na be the chiri boss man no na adi nyina we know politically where they belong. But that is not the issue. Edwuma wada ma honda 1 year na ye ka ho asem. But anamoya we tui e man dem akankan bi wo kratemen. O ma mehu de ebinum ho a integrity na ye ka de wo de edwuma. Onyonu no di won enyim. Na mo one political agenda and na wa bade wo be push because if not so obeye nwanwa the isi nankasa ba pow mpanyimfu na wa frɛ hon the eminent men ojidi de ho obotu nefu wona na mo rutu na mpanyimfu nyi we di nkomo no wa ka cho de sabotan na nyi political parties in share na yehwe kwan ebotumi afa na wo di date about two gwade amidi on the 80 date you order to way check down fanyi di man mpanyimfu 1 2 ono so check there ono di we take any decision dada it is a we take any decision dada na ono nti na mpanyimfu wo friends na mpanyimfu no obotu account them inter party resistance for new voters register and out because we have raised fundamental issues offer them new voters register na wo baye in a register na ye wo no so no asem and if those issues ni important easy betrim the wo ba addresser then we will continue to also do a lot of resistance activities ye de betre isi ni there in as much as onu on Facebook man panyifo yen so yen pen e ma onkodo onye ma opedo
very much right Chief Bani and yete no enkano chairman me sam akwaba
mejo so
jo mira etikata me kenkan ye na me bisa ho chief asem mo so mo hu ni say ana mo panyifo itu ye and the issue so na mo no wadaro ma say na mo hu no
me dase ma me nchia ansan chete for any ahefo na yenda mo so ase that despite and that
for Isapon
opportunity on the mayen na yetumi church adwen ye mayen ni ye di ni
enkwase
obi me mayen just say ya na be ya di o tire madwen o tire wadwen so ma tire madwen ya to adwen na dia asisi o mayen to be obi tire adwen na ya adwen bone na o tire man hwe wantie ni ya hwe ya na akofa asem abro bi on so o tie asem no na wa tie asem ye nyina tie ha na o kan kratai Pacho krata you can you the sign can be but maybe casting now the kind of be time not here over find easy I trust say electoral commission onya adwuma ye no ntwen no nsi o mo ansana what one adwuma so the kind what that paragraph and I'm formative not on the say
chema to so
e wo musa e wo musa
yenko
bibi sa wo my chief and baby
don't worry
so there is nowhere that the eminent committee you know e catch there ECC onya adwuma nto ho no on twen no mu nyina ahia wia ansa na kwakoto aso there's nowhere and then the EC no your friend say EC no na dwuma as so ye no so ye me better as am catch me bisa as me say asem we as nka mo fra EC for no make because o from say me kan say me na me kama EC no
say efa mo ho ti na me so cheche mu che offer say eyemunti na sa even eminent advisory committee
me catch say me ade a me pekra na hypocrisy ade na me pa me men can't say men can't say me special eyes ade cha na makweto ekope ayi no if I say specialized the best but the best and truly is the best it is the best men ko hu obi hu no bi no me so the be dey na better and I am saying that specialized is the best 2000 far back as 2012 and I was part of the people who were demonstrating we said several see electoral system no you reform it Nebwa. Up to 2000 you call who court to cry. Buru Ramadan, okay. You call demonstration severally. Say no more call demonstration. That the voter is not credible, it's not reliable, the voter register is overbloated. We showed evidence. Okay, Dr. Bamia and you call demonstration. Me say Because I can't order. Got to be me hurry, that time, no. They be a blue up to me, got and dim energy bear. I found them high jump bury. I didn't know. Me and them could drum to me, shall say, I didn't know who is. I don't know who is at the way. Gabi, you train a team prepare, nipper that's Miss Remo, with them farming call. Pa. I come back, justice. I And there's one guy too. There were 2 people almost free because of how they treated us. Because of the voters register. And Nyankopon and Chadum, the same voters register, they got 2 aba. And Nyankopon Ghana for, I say, Papa way, Nkofo way, and your poem.
Yeah.
So we had to just. This is one son. You call court, see and go clinic. This is on this system, you will be clinic, have voters register. No? And so we had to just proceed and go and vote.
You are lying.
Being, you got 2 aba, 2016.
They said, national, those who registered with health insurance, when you want in film, the EC obey my way in film.
Chief Patrol, first statement, my chairman, chairman, Adeki to a ha.
No,
statement, Chief Patrol, statement,
the chairman, Nagasa.
Ah, baby, I'm in the yard, you for mammy.
Oh, what's the main kind?
There be chairman,
chairman,
that's the paragraph 2 no. Okay. We will be
At the meeting, it was agreed that the Electoral Commission and the eminent will meet with members of the party. Okay, I say,
but say
go to the last paragraph.
Because of
meanwhile, see
and now also other parties in here come. Now won't train now.
He not country. Meanwhile, you must hold on with the registration or the preparation towards the registration.
It's calm no castle or Munyano. So
calm means Munya Jumania. It's Jumania. Meanwhile, no, as I so be all parties, or can I say all parties,
yeah,
and remaining calm.
Okay.
Now, easy way political
party. Because they tell Mokasa and say, na demonstration.
Because me, we now.
I mean, the shim keke. Now, if you watch demonstration, also CSOs, Kasa. It has a mark, man. Sorry. To say Adibrom, no money now.
CSOs,
I didn't say.
Almost somewhere 80. 1 man CSOs, better 10. 1 man
Ghana for no.
1 man CSOs, better 10.
Mention them.
And 1 man.
What are who are
chief man? Only.
Address
yes. So in Ghana here, we know where every CSO that belongs to. Apart from a few. Most of them.
Really?
Most of them.
Okay.
Yeah, most of them. You know it. Sometimes you call the person and he's talking. You can call 2 people. Professors.
So what I say? I said, Imani, whatever, they belongs to this.
I've heard one of the saddest arguments.
Imani part of the 40
because those ones are not relevant. I am for a new voters register. We need to upgrade, update, improve, increase, expand, progress. Menye ababase, mukanze ababase. I'm forward looking, finding solutions. Solutions.
Then this is not be no for you. Finding this is ababase no na emrebi.
And some dey come comedy. Ababase
no ababase. Omo dey no.
Me say mempa ababase. Mempa e be ko echi. Me pese e ko echi. Sankran na mente dey dey mo fancha me ye ko ni nteja. And yes, we went for the elections and we won, even though the voter register was bad. I don't know, we managed to block people who were not supposed to vote. We managed to prevent, we be vigilant, and we managed to get the over 1 million votes difference. Some people have been arguing, says our voters register now Mark Kufuor to be a president. I then the embassy did too. They did too many here because we knew and we know and we still believe self voters registered in your papa. The facts are there in your papa, na dia ba ben say your papa cry say twice on man papa. There are modern ways.
Okay.
Many that me catch of Nokia 3310. Eno na ne ye defre lie what the friend guys na number into what the Nokia 3310 friend oba no when na ware no na se ne iPhone number me phone ko dey wen bia Huawei what
no Samsung so
Huawei aba na me say Nokia 3310 ma me nya me ba nti no an make it oh god and that's an we have to.
Can you compare Nokia issue with, you know,
the same thing? Same thing.
Yeah.
Machines no motor, you know. When I'm saying the current voters register, your card na kitano is almost 10 years. Card na kitano, it's almost 10 years. Now, o card na the 10 years. Machine where the register and laptop no we use no. You turn 10 years ago. That time the highest machine. That time laptop one the engine so far no. And I'm better to say about $200. No, it was about $500.
Okay.
And at that time, the memory of that computer, no, benyak phone, benyak phone, laptop for 10 years.
Okay.
Who saw ya na freezy? Who saw ya na? And then somebody tells you, say, "Oh, bet me, you upgrade o laptop no? 10 years no? Amount. Obedo 4,000, then 2,000, then 4,700." And then somebody says, "I'll give you a new friend saying laptop." Laptop, you know. Yeah, and then the memory so. And then cute, better, more facility, more. I can do more, no. Also better on number 3,700. Or repair that number one 4,700. And this is for say 4,700 near papa. Yanko rebranded. Yanko upgrade. And you ask yourself, what is wrong with some people in Ghana?
Thank you very much, Chairman.
They want to block it.
And Chief, about for the view say, who upgrade here? If it's my crash it. Do you agree? IT expert for you.
Okay, me him there. Sebi, ye bubo ye team na ya kasa keke. But issues now about that one are very, very serious. And
the Chairman bonity
issues now about that one are important. Sure, there is a difference between reading and understanding. Chama Mario they started and also asemo kind of fine kusin. Krata ye ready or can the pay the 15th January eminent committee members and we share electoral commission. Now we share no when you now what you to mode electoral commission on ye political parties we share one. Over the issues I can It's common sense tells you that. Say issues na they bahun what's
so you are using common sense, but you are not telling what the Emblem Committee.
Okay,
yes. So just make that
allow me to.
Cannot play.
I'm saying that. Obia badrin babia odo etase there. Sebi. Krata ye wa be parties no woyo ye kire. De reba ho. Mpanyifuni nyi ho ehia. What's enyi nkrofuni nkohia wo iPark. Sebi. Se me epede ye na apo na epede ye a. Mpanyifo afrei a wo na esi won wo botufu na hu behia. De wo benya abotan we share wo dem. Na nchechiremu na diba wo ho na de gufom. Na wie na se bokodo de ye meye na akodo aye. Mi hu baby ma sebi. O kire de mpanyifo afrau de won share abotan won share. In the meantime, in all the political parties and other stakeholders, they should be calm. Now, when please.
So
allow me to make my point.
Or no, eminence for no can say no. It's got almost suspended, bro.
I'm making a point.
Yeah.
Viewers, listen. Please, my mass American on ton on so. Now, in paying for academy, say me the training share. Na say electoral commission the date atoa onu okachira wo de aja electoral commission yen o de nyidi o da madam payfo na onu media ma won na wo hwe free the sebi Ghana yenye mba.
So that's your view, chairman's view.
I'm not here for chairman.
Okay.
Chairman aka na asem na medi nchechemu medi ma wo na wa hwefo. Say pede kasa ma chairman, that's okay. Exactly, but I'm not here for chairman. Eti ma meche de wahwefo na wohwe na odi de nyidi ye de ma won na ehu de enya akonya na ebetena onye nkuti na enyim de won na wati fie no so no sebi wo nyim de na wohwe chairman again what's a Nokia 33 what akwabrani chairman em na asem no ntase machines are what the verification ko data na wafa udin na homa mini din na papa ni din na ade ono so nko enti se enne e ka kirem na verification machines what say ono the machine no fault aba ho the minting machine no or there yes another was scrap now what how does it affect the data now ya g from emi na wo udi na watro na our system ni mun or you then no affect them data
Senkamu money you have a quick one. About the porn the question in the room mama for say my crash when we upgrade it. Yeah. The IT expert, yeah.
IT expert one and you can say.
Oh, a lot. Actually,
a lot to do no be anything. I thought there specifically Rebecca do be a
various that's why when you listen to them you go for be
and then answer program and then answer we program for the purpose of food discussion is a share news file. When you IT expert to be crowd when you need if you do America.
Okay.
Or suggest or them my house or my money there. Data now Ugu system no or you intact. Sabi okabrani. AC now or catching hand machine on ye human.
Yeah.
Other people, including myself, maybe a question there. Them machines now also on ye human to yen to me use. Echo we crasser. Ethiopia ono always between we crasser na banner. Wo friend assemblyman.
Okay.
Them assemblyman fu ya ye koto aba ye yi ho nyina akwabra ne. O man ye ka Ghana nyina bo mo over 6,000. Yet the unit committee members bo mo over 30,000. Them panyinfu ya ye yi ho nyina we are saying there.
Okay.
At the local district level no. Ye botum ye yi dem nyimpa dodo yi na competition ni nyinara. Na nwana wokoto aba ma assemblyman na wo hwe we free enwumri ni de. Assemblyman fu de haji won atom ya inaugurate won. Wo ye credible.
Okay.
Voters register on your credible in no electing one. But you co-elected 275 members of parliament plus one president that only the voters register on your credible. It's what are we telling the people at the local district?
I only say the current voters register no or card no voters card na kita no. It's almost 10 years. Time we register you know. Sometimes we slim. Okay pa there ya your card dey. Never compare current picture. So when you call bank now you card to have police at you because your card no any picture na was on.
Chairman, you sure?
I'm telling you secondly.
Okay.
No, you check the card.
No, how does it affect?
Member. How do you affect? There is nowhere in the world.
Okay.
Muha, say mama card. We ID card.
Yeah.
Who dey work 10 years? Even how? Not buying there. And I'm telling you, go to Legon, go to every organization. Your expiring date 5. Bro, so passport criteria 5 years. Passport. Now look at it that this way.
Okay.
Sir, I card I first I registered
2012 ni year.
I also see card need 10 years. 2012 na 2019.
Chairman,
this is almost 10 years.
Almost.
Not. It's almost 10 years.
It's not almost.
It's almost 10 years.
Chairman, what the porno?
Remember the porno?
You were 2020.
Where they have more information and they are ready. Omo ye crowd pa the omo ye demonstration need the omo nyina no they are massing up and preparing the minds of their people. I tell you be so come say a voters register no the be voters register now the first people who will be queuing will be NDC4. We are gonna near get ready. These guys they are always deceiving omo deceiving the castle way by ye no be no mo ye the papa be e ba no mo bogu me say electoral commission me nyanya nka nya me na meka me version the electoral commission come and defend their
thank you very much
omo publicity omo
mama pede just to say mama pede me ma wo na wa hwefo na chemo man wa de what are saying there enyidi ni yede ma eminent committee no na yede kasa no to 30th say position na isi ni da ba to hon onye position na oba ba kasa da na isi no onfata mbo na.
And for your information
oye kire na oba
isi for the say data no almost say for no one be use and let me tell you
right yes you mama long shot na me boy you kakra bi electoral commission penny for you are Srebo Sylvia ano any penny for do aka ye frem sa obi amfa na ye reseke ni mo ebesi eye enkunya cause na ya je amanyekwa hodo nya agye nkyere tina ka ye bese ba mo so enso producers ebo akoma mo amfa wada roma eni mo de dwuma nti ye frem a eye amfa na etimi ni mo eni enkita ho nom Chibaini Chairman Marewa there and also agent chair about the eminent committee or more crata or edeba no comment chibosi akunya go sapon Chibaini what about me de besia it is here I mean aduma